Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to solve question number 4, paper 32, May 2021. In question number 4, use integration by parts. The exact value of integration from 0 to 2, tan minus 1, 1 over 2x by x. Integration by parts means we split the function into two functions. One of them will integrate it and one of them is differentiated. In our syllabus, we have differentiation of tan minus 1 for x and tan minus 1 for half of x. So which will be first and which will be second? Because I can differentiate easily this function, I use it as a first will be tan minus 1 and second will be 1. Tan minus 1 half x and second represent as 1 multiply. The first one you have to differentiate, but the second one you have to integrate. I will revise for how to differentiate tan minus 1. If we have a function y is equal to tan minus 1x, derivative of this function dy by dx or y dash will be 1 over 1 plus x squared. But in general, if a function given y is equal to tan minus 1, a function f of x, to differentiate it, y dash will be f dash x divided by 1 plus fx squared. Or we can write it like this, 1 over 1 plus f of x into f dash x, both correct. Let's start now to differentiate the function tan minus 1 half of x. 1 over 1 squared will be 4th x squared. Derivative will be into half times half, 1 over 2. The integrate of 1 will be x. You can simplify this part by multiplying it 2 by the denominator and write it 1 over 1. When you multiply by 2, this one will be 2. Multiply by 2, this part will be half of x squared, simplified. When you apply integration by parts, multiply this part by this part first, then integrate this part by this part. So x multiplied by tan minus 1 half x minus integrate x times 1 over 2 plus half of x squared by dx. I will write the form, if you remember. First function multiplied by integrate first multiply by integrate of second. First multiply by integrate of second minus integrate second function times derivative of x, the first derivative of the first by dx. Now let's simplify this part and complete the integration of the second part. The first one is x multiplied by tan minus 1 half x minus integrate x divided by 2 plus half x squared by dx. Is it a function and its derivative up? You remember, integrate f dash x divided by f of x by dx. So the answer will be ln function f of x plus c. Is it? Yes. If we start to differentiate, the denominator will be 2, will be 0. Half x squared directly will be x. So the final answer is x, tan minus 1 half of x minus ln of 2 plus half of x squared from 2. we have limits, the limits from 0 to 2. From 0 to 2. Substitute by 2 will be 2, 10, minus 1, half into 2 is 1, minus, substitute by 2, ln 2 squared is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, will be ln 4, this is the first part, minus, substitute by 0, will be 0, if we substitute x 0, 0 minus ln 2. Simplify more, 2, shift tan 1 is pi over 4, don't forget to use the rest system if you don't memorize it, minus ln 4 minus will be plus ln 2. ln 4 minus ln 2, you can write ln 4 as 2 ln 2 by writing 4 as 2 power of 2, drop the power. So the final answer will be pi over 4. Sorry, simplify, will be pi over 2. Then minus ln 2 squared, if you drop the power, will be minus ln 2. This is the final answer. Or you can take negative outside, multiplication, subtraction will be division. This is the final answer, exact as he asked for. Thank you.